We're talking about narrative. Let me put it up here. Right. So narrative. Okay. And narrative simply just means PDRA to PDRA. As we said in our previous video, we spoke about swing points, swing low, swing high, and we spoke about a fair value gap. That these two things, all right, is what makes a bias. Your swing points, all right, and your fair value gap. As you could see, I have my annotations here already. This is a weekly fair value gap, as you could see right here. It's a weekly fair value gap right here. Okay, and general rule of thumb, all right. If you trade in this model, all right, it's very safe. It's expected to trade from internal range to external. Okay, internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. Let me take this out. All right, let me move this a little bit down here. All right, so it's expected to trade internal range to external range. Okay, that's what I mean. Internal to external, here to here. Okay, beautiful. All right, with that being said, that's really your narrative. All right, your narrative just simply means PDRA to PDRA. Okay, if you're targeting this premium array, all right, because this is a premium, this swing high right here. All right, this is a premium array. All right, and this is a discount array. Our fair value gap right here is our discount array. All right, so we issue trading. Narrative simply just means if you're going higher in a bullish bias, where are we going higher from? What discount array are we using to go higher from to target our drop liquidity? And in a bearish scenario, all right, what premium array are we using to target our discount array? Okay, so let me jump right into it. Okay, so narrative simply just means the boundary between your discount array and your premium array. Very simple. Let's keep it very simple and short. I'm going to go over a different example on a bearish price action, like a bearish price action. But in this scenario, this is a bullish price action, as you could see right here. Okay, it's a bullish price action. So yes. So narrative is just the window between here and here. That's the narrative. All right. It's a logical question you ask yourself, right? Each time you have a bias. All right. If I'm going higher, where am I going higher from? If I'm going lower, where am I going lower from? Okay. That's just all about your narrative.
If I'm going higher or lower, what PD array am I moving from?
In a bullish scenario as this, all right, in a bullish scenario as we have here, all right, discount arrays will always be respected, but premium arrays will be taken out. They will continuously get disrespected. But as for discount arrays, as we have this swing low, and this swing low, those are all discount arrays. Discount arrays will be respected in a bullish price action, as you can see right here. This is a market maker buy model. All right, beautiful. Let's go back to the weekly time frame.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, narrative simply means premium array to discount array. This swing low in a bearish scenario, in a bearish case as this, alright, serves as our discount, alright. And in a sell market, alright, our discount is always our target, alright, and price is always rejecting of premium arrays. As you can see right here, we are respecting this weekly premium array. All right, so that's like narrative just has to do with that thought process of asking yourself, if I'm going lower, where am I going lower from? and obviously you're coming over from this weekly fair value gap. All right. On our next video, we're going to talk about entries. All right. Or we'll probably talk about different types of fair value gaps and different types of order flow leak. All right. There's so many things. There are really a lot. There's a lot to all of this. It might seem so simple, but I kid you not, it's not as simple as you think. Okay. And as this now, all right, we call this. Let me put this right here. All right. All right. Let me put my notations right there. We call that an overlapping defense. All right. An overlapping defense. I'm not supposed to even talk about this on this particular video, but okay. An overlapping defense just makes a premium array as this really, really stronger. Okay. It makes this narrative, this point of narrative very strong. All right. Because you have this swing low overlapping with this fair value gap. It's called an overlapping defense. All right. And there's also what's called the first line of defense. When your first line of defense is just a fair value gap, you call that a first line of defense. But when it's overlapping with the swing points as this, it makes it very strong. Okay. In the sense that if price is not rejecting from this, is also rejecting from this overlapping defense. Okay. So this is like 2x power you could think of, right? 2x power. So yes, we'll talk about this on a different video, right? But today I'm just keeping it simple and we're talking about narrative. Is that thought process you ask yourself, if we're going lower, where are we going lower from? And we're going lower from this. Perfect. Thank you.